Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger report friends. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger report friends, you should just go to settings and you click. After that, in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to this window of messenger and you click in this window here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about messenger, you will find an install, then you can wait a moment and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.